Welcome to iHero. We're so happy to have you on board. We prepared a series of short, informative videos that will help you understand how iHero works and how to best use it with your patients. iHero is a vision training solution performed by playing stimulating games and exercises on a tablet or a computer that you prescribe to your patients. These kind of exercises are used for a broad range of vision problems as we approach the training by targeting core visual skills. Such activities are suitable for patients with amblyopia, convergence insufficiency, mild forms of eso and exotropia, diplopia, as well as other binocular problems. At the heart of iHero lies personalization. Each patient receives completely tailor-made and personalized training experience. This training experience is adapted to them based on their age, based on their progress, and based on the specific visual skill that they are trying to improve. And what's the best part? iHero works for patients of all ages. While the training exercises were built with the children in mind, they are as engaging and as effective for adults as well, just the speed of progress diminishes with age. Every patient receives their iHero box containing activation code and filter glasses delivered to their home. These red and green filter glasses play a crucial role during eye exercises, separating the stimuli for each eye. By engaging each eye independently, we stimulate each eye individually, as well as teach them how to operate both eyes together simultaneously. This leads not only to improved vision of each eye, but also to a greatly improved binocular vision. Our app is compatible with a broad range of devices: Apple iPads, Android tablets, Windows computers, and Mac computers, ensuring accessibility for all. Thank you for watching this video. In the next one, we'll jump right into how to prescribe and monitor your patients using iHero.